Alright, and welcome back to Learning to Draw episode 28, where we will be doing another project from How to Draw Cool Stuff, the 5-minute workbook. This one we will be doing a nest. So with that, let's begin. We want to go ahead and start off with a fairly large oval. And I'm not very happy with this side. I always mess it up on these bigger ones, so let's go ahead and see if we can. Again, get that a little bit better. There we go. Third time's a charm. Go ahead and get rid of some of this excess. We can leave a little bit. Then we're just going to do another one on the inside, and I bet I do this one a lot better because I actually have a guide. I'm happy with that. Okay, then let's go ahead and put a couple eggs in here. So we'll draw one, kind of. Let's try that again, and then we'll put another one right here. Go ahead and erase that because you're not going to be able to see through it. This way it looks like they're laying together. Okay, then next we are just going to add a floor to this. We want it coming out of the top of this one and just kind of going down like that. Give it a little depth. And now all we gotta do is some shading. So we will go ahead and I think this will work. This color here. And we're just going to drag across quickly and loosely. Circle it down. Fairly large strokes. We'll go a little bit darker for in here. Kind of give the eggs a bit of a shadow. And then just slightly, I think that is a little bit too dark, so let's go a little bit lighter. There we go. And just kind of fill this in, and we can just scratch it in as quickly as that. This way we get a little bit of contrast between these two. And then the nice dark color. And we can actually just loop around a few times. Try to get it, and it's alright if it goes over, and then just loosely put the darker side over here, and feel free to go outside the lines because bird nests have branches sticking out. You can see it really starts bringing it together, and you kind of get that nice texture to it. We'll get a lighter shade. Give it some light over here. Like I said, feel free to stick a couple of them out. I'm actually purposely going out myself. And darker in here. I guess there's going to be a little bit of shade from the light coming up over here. And just scratch that in, and you can just go across all the way. Don't have to follow it perfectly for our guidelines. They are just guidelines. Stick a few out. Stick a couple going inside. It all works just fine. Oh, there we go. That's looking good. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. And if we want, we can add a little color to the eggs. Go real light over 'em. With a darker side over here maybe. And a darker side down here. While following the rest of it. There we go. Give it a nice little shade so it's not this perfect white that's out here. Makes it pop a little more. And with that, we have our bird nest. If you followed along, I hope you learned something. If you just enjoyed watching, I hope you have a wonderful day either way. Goodbye.